Blackout Bingo supports real money tournaments through skills, but a screenshot of a payment is not enough to prove what you personally will earn. The useful question is whether Blackout Bingo actually processes withdrawals, and what you should check before putting money into the app. By the end, you'll know how to separate legitimate payment evidence from misleading screenshots. Blackout Bingo is developed by Big Run Studios and uses the Skills platform for its competitive cash system. The game lets eligible players compete in paid tournaments, while free gameplay is available for learning the format. The important distinction is between winnings and guaranteed payments. Blackout Bingo does not promise that every player will make money. In cash tournaments, you are competing against other players, so your result depends on your score and the tournament's rules. Payment proof should therefore show an actual completed withdrawal, rather than just a balance displayed inside the game. If you see a screenshot showing $50, $100, or another balance, that only proves the account displayed that amount. It does not automatically prove that the player successfully withdrew the money. A stronger form of evidence is a transaction record showing that money left the gaming account and reached a supported payment method. You should also check whether the screenshot identifies the game, the payment method, and the transaction date. There is another detail that matters in 2026. Cash competitions are location dependent. Skills apply as eligibility rules for real money play, so the fact that someone successfully withdrew money in one country or region does not mean the same features are available to you. Before depositing, open the current Blackout Bingo and Skills cash game information for your location. Check the available deposit, tournament, and withdrawal options directly inside the app. You should also keep your own records. Write down your starting balance, every deposit, every cash entry, every prize, and every withdrawal. After that, calculate your net result instead of judging the app from individual winning screenshots. So, are Blackout Bingo payments real or fake? The cash tournament system is real for eligible players, but individual payment screenshots need to be verified before you treat them as proof of earnings. A screenshot can show a claimed result. A completed transaction is much stronger evidence. The practical next step is to use the free gameplay first, confirm cash eligibility in your location, and check the withdrawal process before spending money. If this helped you evaluate Blackout Bingo more carefully, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app reviews.